We're back in Maharika Hotel here in Tarlac. So this is our room for the weekend. Ayan. King size bed ba yan? Lamps. Meron siyang side chair. And working area. Ayan. Ang laki ng working area. Basta you're in 702, 402, 202. Ganyan siya. Malaki yung office space niya. And there's a TV. Meron siyang coffee station. Snack bar. May charge siya. So there's the bathroom. And meron siyang hair dryer. Shower. Toiletries. Yan. Complete naman. Towels. Cabinets, receiving area. Yan, medyo big ang room natin. Full size mirror. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.